Hello and welcome back to another video about FeedMe. Today I will be demonstrating on how we bind to our device. Firstly, let's go to the 3 line here located on the top left, click on Setting, and now click on the device. In here you can see that Brandon isn't bind yet, so how are we going to bind it for Brandon? Here let me demonstrate it. First click on Bind Device. Here you'll see a code. This code purpose is to use for binding towards our POS device. Here in our POS device, since we are using the testing version, on the below click on the switch to development. After changing to development mode, click on the main. Here, this is the place where you put in the OTP code in. To get the OTP code, you can come back here and click on Bind Device. Click on it to copy. After copy the number, let's head back to the POS device. Click here and paste it. Once all done, click on the Confirm button. In here we select the It as normal first. And then change the 90 days here to 7 days. After that, click Next. After waiting for it to loading, key in the passcode. Here's how to change the passcode. First click on the 3 line here at the top left. After that, click on the employee. As you can see here, I want to change this user password. Let's create the new password here. Select the user by clicking it. Here, you can change the name as what you want. Now let's change the password. In here, you can type out 4-digit number for your password. You can also generate random password also for this user. Make sure if you do this way, you need to remember the generated password for it. Here, I'm going to set the password for this user. Once the password already set up, click on Save. Now let's go to our POS system and key in the password for it. And that's how you bind to your POS device. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.